How to do halftone effect in Kittl. All right, so your first step would be to create a new project. All you need to do is just click on the three dots here. That's the three slashes. Click on new project and a new project will be created. Now the next step is to either add an image or make use of the images that are provided by clicking on photos here, and you can make use of trending photos, or you could just simply upload your own material. All right, so once an image has been uploaded, just go ahead and select the image. Once you've selected the image, go ahead and open the effects panel. We have a few here, that's being textures and the illustration. So head into illustration, use the search and simply search for halftone. Click on halftone here, click on it again, and it's going to search for a few of them. Now you can go ahead and use some here. While some are premium features, some are free that you can apply to your image. So go ahead and select one of them, and then you can just simply drag it so it fits into your image and the halftone has been applied. All right, guys, that's how you can go about doing this.